Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 7th of January 2020 Shift 1 question. Question number 21. If system of equations 2x plus 2ay plus az is equal to 0, 2x plus 3by plus bz is equal to 0, 2x plus 4cy plus cz is equal to 0 have non-trivial solution, then 4 options are given. This is the absolute favorite problem of JEE Main. Every year JEE choose one trivial solution. Now moving to the question, we know for non-trivial solution determinant of this, first of all check this equation have 3 variables x, y, z and abc, 3 variables. For non-trivial solution, we know determinant is 0. So coefficient must be written just like that: 2, 2, 2, 2a, 3b, 4c, a, b and c. This is our determinant. Now simplifying this, eliminated 2 from this column, we get 1, 1, 1, 2a, 3b, 4c, a, b and c. This is equal to 0. Now calculating our R3 is equal to, applying R3, new R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R1, and R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. So now row 1 becomes R3 not R3, new R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So it is become 0, 4c minus 2a, c minus a. Now R2 dash becomes, row 2 becomes 0, 3b minus 2a, b minus a, and R1 fixed, 2a and a. So this is also 0. Now 1 fixed, and this multiply this and this multiply this, so it is become 3b minus 2a. Now crack the determinant, c minus a minus of b minus a into 4c minus 2a, and these 2 are 0, so whole determinant now left becomes 0, that is equal to 0. That implies 3b minus 2a into c minus a is equal to b minus a into 4c minus 2a. Now that implies calculating this 3bc minus 2ac minus 3ac plus 2a square is equal to 4bc minus of 4ac minus 2ab plus 2a square. 2a square cancelled off, and it is becomes 2ac is equal to bc plus ab. Now b common, a plus c is equal to 2ac. That implies b is equal to 2ac divide a plus c. So it is seen that ABC are in HP, but HP is not in syllabus of JEE. So we easily say that 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So we reached, and our option is option 3. This is the whole problem with solution. Any queries, any questions about this problem, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all for today.